Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. I'm back. So y'all, I'm back to show you guys. Okay, first, this is my hair. Freshly washed and conditioned. My curls came back popping after I had a flat iron. So I'm going to come in and try out these new products I got in my curl box. First, I'm going to go in with the F.A.Q leave-in conditioner. It smells pretty good. It has a mango scent to it, and the consistency is like a whipped. It's so good. It's like a whipped, creamy, just buttery, just amazing leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to just take about that much and rub it in my hands and just smooth it through. Immediately I felt like, wait a minute, why does my hair feel like this? Like, this is making my hair feel, I was not expecting those results from these products. So I went ahead and I added some more to my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off and add even more. But y'all, this is giving my Miche Beauty leave-in conditioner a run for its money. No lie. It's not my top favorite yet because my first time using it, but as I use it more and more, I'll let you guys know what I think. But for the first impressions, this stuff is bomb. My wash and go came out so good. So again, I'm gonna just take some more of that leave-in conditioner, section my hair off, and add some more because I want my hair to be moisturized, and it delivered. I wanted a moisturized wash and go, and that's exactly what I got. I wasn't sure what to expect, from this brand, just to be honest, because it's an affordable, cheap brand. But y'all, this stuff is so good. So taking my shower comb, my handy dandy detangling shower comb, and this is what just the leave-in conditioner had my curls clumping together and had it looking just juicy and sweet and delicious. And So next I'm gonna go on with this F.A.Q feels like silk liquid styling gel. So this is the consistency of it. Of course, it's a liquid, and that's what it looks like. It's very thin. It's not as thin as I thought it would be, but it's like a good balance in between, enough to give me enough hold. So I placed about that much. I went with a little bit, and I was like, nah, I need more. So I placed that much in my hair, and I'm just going through this back section and just raking it through my hair, and it felt really good going onto my hair. But the leave-in conditioner, y'all, I gotta go back to that because that's what I love the most, the leave-in conditioner. The gel did good, really good. It paired very well with the leave-in conditioner, which I would expect, being that it's from the same brand. It delivered. So now I'm gonna go to this next section of hair. Let me slow down. I'm a little too excited. And I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner here, and like y'all, it's melting into my strands. It's so bomb. Then I'm going to take the styling gel, and I actually looked these prices up just to see how much they were, because again, these came in my curl box. Y'all, for the leave-in conditioner for like a bigger container than what I got was $8. $8. So my smaller container probably runs about $5, but I found them in my local Sally's. So yeah, you can find them there. But I went ahead and finished the other side of my hair off camera. So this is what my hair looks like while it's wet. I'm super duper in love with it. It set really well. I did sit under a hooded dryer for just a little bit. But I'm going to go in now with the, what is it called? Intense glaze. Conditioning shining gel. It's a glaze. So this is kind of weird, the way the consistency is of it. It's like a pomade. But you take it like that and you just rub it in your hair. Rub it in your hands to melt it. That's what the direction says, is to melt it in your palm. So that's what I did. Just melted it into my palm, and then I just applied it in the areas of where my hair kind of gets frizzy, which is mostly at the top. And to be honest, I didn't notice that it didn't make my hair feel heavy like I assumed it would have been. It did pretty good. It was a good topper for a gel. So I just went up ahead and applied it there because I wanted just more definition, and it gave me that. So I liked actually all three of these items, but as you guys know, the leave-in conditioner was my absolute favorite. But all three products worked very well in my hair, and it gave me a super bomb wash and go. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry, and I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. All right, so as I told you earlier, I let my hair, I set it to hooded dry for about 30 minutes and let the rest of it air dry, and I just went ahead and banded my hair. So this is just me removing my bands, and so you guys can see what my hair looks like after, this is day one, after I take everything out, as my definition is there. As you guys see, I'm smiling, I'm happy, but this is my definition, and this is usually how my hair looks on day one, but keep watching. Alright guys, so as you saw me, I just took my bands out of my hair. I am like super pleased. Of course my hair is not puffed out, the volume and everything that I don't like, but the definition in my hair has never felt this moisturized from a wash and go ever. Like, this has been my most moisturized wash and go I've ever received. Like, my hair is so shiny. I didn't even put any oil in it, didn't do anything with it. Like, I want you guys to see the definition. Of course my curls are stretched because I, you know, banded my hair last night, but the definition is there and the moisture is there. Like, ooh, y'all, I am like shocked with these products. My hair does not feel heavy. As you saw, I was a little heavy-handed with the leave-in conditioner because I wanted it to, you know, melt in my hair just like it did. It melted like instantly. When I put it in my hair, it melted instantly. That might be my new F.A.Q leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna try it again. It's giving Miss Beauty a run for its money. I'm not gonna even lie to you. That leave-in conditioner and that liquid gel was really, really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick my hair out just a little bit at the roots, just so I won't look so flat. But I can tell I'm gonna get a lot of days out of this wash and go. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to come back and show you guys in a couple of days what my hair looks like. I mean, like, literally the definition. It looks like I shingled my hair, and I did not shingle my hair at all. I'm so pleased. This is one of my most tamed wash and goes that I have done in a while. So I want to definitely get that gap back here so I won't have a part down the middle of my head. Okay, so this is my day 1 hair. I'm going to come back and show you guys, you know, with day 2, day 3, day 4. Depending on how many days I got of this, but I can tell I'm going to get some days out of this wash and go. And like I said, my hair is stretched, so I have the length or whatever. But even last night after I had sat in a hooded dryer, my hair did not shrink up like it normally does. I don't know if it's because it anything to do with the products or because I just flat ironed my hair and my elasticity has been stretched or not, or you know what it was. But my hair was like, you know, a lot longer than what it normally is. It didn't have that shrinkage like normal. So I still went ahead and banded it, and the length is still there. So yeah. All right, so this is day 1. I'm gonna go ahead and head to church. I'm gonna just, you know, show pictures or slides of my hair day 2, day 3. But if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye. Okay, and so here is my last final day. This is day 5 of my, you wanna be in the camera? My most moisturized wash and go ever. You know, as my hair gets older, it gets bigger, voluminous. This is what I actually love. And my hair still feels moisturized. I have not put any other additional product in it, and there is still a shine there. So I highly recommend you get your hands on these products. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye.